let's talk about relationships. We're back to the good.
Right.
This is something you can do if you want to improve a relationship. Remember, I was the relationship counselor on CBC television, Stephen and Chris show for 2 seasons.
You've now not been for so long.
Yeah,
but it happened in
it's
increments.
essentially meaningless now. It's ancient history. So, anyway, the bottom line is, say you want to repair a relationship, or maybe not even repair it, you just want to make it better.
This is good. This is important.
Shocked that Chris found it good when he was actually saying something brilliant. Mike picks up the thread and attempts again to make his point. So this whole relationship, can I just say how much I'm enjoying doing this? This relationship thing. Like with my own wife, one of the things I've done lately is I've just recognized a lot of the time she'll ask me to do something. And because I'm an 8 in the Enneagram, and although I have a 9 wing, which mollifies it to a degree, not the craziness of the 7 wing, I realize that I often just say no when she wants to do something. Can we go over to so-and-so's tonight? I don't really feel like it, because I don't want to be controlled.
Yeah.
So now I've just decided I'm going to say yes way more than no. I think it's kind of freaking her out. Can we do yep? And so what? And it's actually making my relationship with her even better.
That's an
because she's getting more of what she wants. I'm being less resistant, but I did it just in increments. This is one thing that I'm doing right now. And there will be others, I'm sure.